And then the next thing that it can work upon is this one, which we call the stage. This one is known as stage over there. The next, after that, we have this area which we call code palette. We call this one as code palette, where you're gonna put all your codes over here. You can just work upon the codes. And the middle area is going to be your work area. In this work area, you're gonna just pick up your codes that you require over there, drag them and drop them over here, and as you're gonna click onto them, your sprite is gonna work over there. Now maybe you don't like this sprite, you need some other sprite. How we can choose our own sprite? So you can choose any sprite over here. This is your choose a sprite option. As soon as we are gonna click onto this one, there is a whole lot library for Scratch. You like dancing, you can take a dancing ballerina over here. And you like singing, so we have singers also over here. And we have a lot of different kind of, like, you like dancing, here is a Cassie dancing. So the same way you can choose your sprites that you guys feel like for your application. After choosing your sprites over there, there are a lot of sprites. Let's take, imagine I want the Giga Walkie. Okay, I really like this redhead guy. And after that, right now you can see behind me is a wall. So same way we call it a background. But for this one, we are gonna say it's a backdrop basically. So when you want to change the backdrop, right now it's a white one. We will be taking any of the backdrop that you like. You can make your sprite on the hills, you can make it to the Jurassic Park, to the jungle, to a party, anywhere that you feel like you can move your sprite to over there. It's up to you. Wherever, imagine I'm putting it in the blue sky. Let me take him on a walk. So this is the way we are going to put our sprite over there. After putting our sprite over here, first thing is to think about the idea. When we have our sprite, we are going to think about the idea. I thought I'm going to take this sprite and I'm going to take this as a background. And then you're gonna identify how you work out. Imagine you want your sprite over there to go from here to here. You want your sprite in between, you want some other sprite to become and talk over there. So you need to think about the different ideas that you want over there. We will be discussing how you can identify an idea. Maybe you can make a better version of a game that's already over there. And this is known as abstraction, thinking about the thing, working on the thing. So abstraction means identifying and representing the important details and removing unnecessary details. Now over here, the most important things come in our coding. Now we are going to move ahead to the coding part. Is there anything you were not able to understand? Anything that you want me to repeat or something?
No.
Okay. So let's move to the coding part. You are at home. Imagine you are feeling hot. You just fit on the plug onto the fan. You want to on the fan. And you're going to click onto the on for a fan. So what's going to happen over there? Your fan is going to on over there. Same way, to start your code, we have over there event. Event is a starting of your code over there. So it's used to start the action, and when whichever way you want to work upon, imagine you are a robot. So like you would have seen Alexa over there or Google Assistant. We say Alexa, it replies you, hi, I'm Alexa. Same way you have a robot. You're clicking onto the robot, you're clicking onto any button on your robot is gonna start. So the same way this thing happen when you want to work upon your application, we have this code of block which is event over there. Now it's up to you which kind of event you want over there. Like this is a button that we basically use over there for our start of event, which we called green flag or go button. And the other is to stop. Imagine at any point you want to stop your animation, you want to stop your project. So this stop button is gonna stop in front of you. And over here, basically you can choose any kind of event. Imagine I'm taking green flag click. So as soon as I'm gonna click onto this green flag, all the instructions, all the commands that I'm gonna put over there is gonna work over here. Now, as the name suggests, every single code is divided into some categories. You can see over there, we have these 9 circles. We have these 9 categories over there. Every single categories of code is gonna work according to the name it suggests over there. Like the first name over there, we can see motion. The first one, I can see the motion. So motion comes from movement. Like your mom says you move to a little bit left, move to the right, move over there, move this thing over there. So what you are doing? You're moving a thing. So motion, the code category motion is about moving your sprite. You want your sprite over there to move from here to there. It's going to move your sprite over there. And the second category over there is looks. The second category that you can see over there is looks. Now looks, I think you guys would have read comics. Have you ever read comics?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The comics, what happen is that you see a speech bubble and you see a hello, right? Same way we have this code over here, say hello. When you're gonna clicking onto this, you'll see a hello option. So looks is all the codes that are regarding the looks. So in the looks, the most important is a costume. So I think you would have seen on YouTube or somewhere Flipbook. So Flipbook is about the image of sprite in different ways, different poses over there. Same way we have for this sprite, we have different poses for Giga over there. See its legs. In the first one, it's like that. In the second one, it's like that. In the third one, it's like that. So when you're gonna move them faster, it's gonna look like it's moving over there. It's animated over there. So let's see. I said that the Giga should say hello. If I click onto the green flag, you can see this saying hello over there. And you can put sound also. We will be learning how we can put sound over there. We will be learning those things also. And now imagine I wanted to move over there. I said when it says hello, it should move. So it's saying hello and it's moving a little bit, but it's way too little. So now I wanted to move from left side to right side all the way around. If I wanted to move all the way around, so the costume the code that's gonna repeat is about movement. So whenever you have anything that you want to repeat over there, so we will be using loops. The meaning of loops is that you want to repeat your code. So if you have any code, repeat code, or you have a block of code that you want to repeat over there, we are gonna use over there our code which we called loop. So we have 2 loops over there. One is the repeat loop. Repeat is gonna repeat it for a particular time. You want this code to be repeat 10 times. maybe 20 times, maybe 30 times. But forever is for infinite loop. It's not gonna stop over there. So these are two kind of loops over there. I don't know how much time it's gonna take from move here to there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a forever over there. So I put a forever block over there. Now let's see the magic. It's gone, but it's going like someone is kicking it, like, right? It's like someone is just stretching it out. It's not looking that much perfect. So let's make it perfect over there. So what we want it to be move, walk like over there. So to make it walk like, we have a costumes. So we are going to choose the next costume over there so that it can change its costumes. So I put the next costume, and now you'll watch it. It's like it's running over there. Now imagine you wanted to walk slowly over there. If you wanted to walk slowly over there, we can make it walk slowly over there. For this one, we have a block that we use, which we called wait block. Wait block is used to stop your code for time according to you. You want it to be stopped 1 second, you want it to be stopped 2 seconds, 3 seconds, so that when it's gonna work over there, when I clicked over there onto the green flag, first it's gonna say hello for the 2 seconds. And after 2 seconds, this code is gonna start. When it moves till this much, it's gonna wait for 1 second, and then it's gonna move once again. So it's again gonna start from this one. It's gonna stay inside this loop over there. So let's see, now our Giga is gonna walk way too slow motion. Now it's walking way too slow motion over there. Now imagine you thought that no, it's way too slow motion. Let's keep it over there so you can keep the value, you can change the value over there. Imagine I want 0.20 over there. So now it's walking, it's looking perfect now. So this is the way you can make your character over here to be moved and make it work. So let's see this one once again. If you still have any doubts, let me make it back over here. And if you still have any doubts, we'll discuss over here how to take it back. So imagine I want to see this one on a full screen. So here it says hello. Now it's gonna go over there. So this is the way we have done our code. Any doubts with the code that we have studied over there? Go ahead. Anything you want? Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead with your doubts. Feel free to ask.
Ma, we can't hear you very well.
You can hear, but
You can't hear me.
Ma, please, can you repeat what you said?
I said, is there any doubt, anything you want me to repeat for you? Anything you were not able to understood in the code or over here, how it works, anything?
No, ma.
I'm clear, ma'am.
So any other doubt that you have about the course or anything?
No, ma.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So our agenda, as we have seen at the start over there, is we see what's sentence coding, we've seen a trial, how we will be working on this one. And if you have any questions or your parents have any questions, they can ask. Otherwise, the Ruth will contact you regarding the process. If you still face any doubt, you can just connect with them. Okay.
I don't have any question.
Okay. Okay, then that was nice having you over here. Maybe we'll meet once again in the session. Okay.
Thank you,
ma'am.
Okay, welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye bye, ma'am.